Hello everyone, this is Pankaj Chamoli and hope you're doing well with Falcon 18 helpful home remedies and useful fitness tips. Today the topic is cold and cough. Cough is a condition in the human way of removing foreign material or mucus from the lungs and upper airway passages. Coughs have distinctive traits you can learn to recognize. A cough is only a symptom and hence not a disease and often recognized when its symptoms are evaluated. Factors affecting cough. There are several factors affecting cough. During viral illness, cold comes as an addition generating cough. An infection of the lungs or upper airway passages can cause a cough. There are chances of chronic disease which might lead to cough. There are coughs that can come from gastroesophageal reflux disease. Coughs can also generate if you smoke a lot. A person who smokes or uses other form of tobacco is often a sign of lung damage or irritation of the throat or esophagus. Remedies of cold and cough. Number 1 is performing gargle with hot water by adding a pinch of salt will certainly help to cure the sore throat. Number 2 is drinking hot drinks like coffee and tea also helps to evade such problems. Number 3 is by adding turmeric powder, ginger powder and a teaspoon of honey to warm milk will help in curing cough relieving body pain, cold and headache. Number 4 is it has been observed that for cold, steam inhalation is the best home remedy to eradicate cold and cough problems. Number 5 is adding few leaves of tulsi, crushing ginger and adding black pepper over tea will allow much relief for cough and cold. Number 6 is Amla Murabba and Chawanprash also act as suitable Ayurvedic tonic to fight against cough and cold. Stay connected, stay healthy, take care.